Oh, it's the chorus, the Rainforest chorus, singing everywhere.
That's a name called sloth up there. But here's the plant here. Now, this plant, these plants as a group are called epiphytes. What do you call them? So you go home to your mom and dad and say, "What'd you learn at school today, darling?" Say, "We learned about epiphytes." Your parents are going to go, "What?" You say, "You know epiphytes." They're going to go, "What?" You say, "Those are the plants that grow in the rainforest trees. They don't hurt the trees. They just use the tree for support, and they supply the animals with places to live." So this next song is about epiphytes. It's a song and a dance. This is where I need dancers up. Put your hands up. Here you go. Ready? On the leaves of a tree. Ready? On the trunk in every hat. Spiders crawl, snakes do that snake move. Used to have collecting pools of water for whole communities. Hands up, as they butterfly. Spiders crawl, snakes use a habitat home. Amplifies to make road. Say plant food supply. I just don't know one road ran up the mark and find you somebody. Sprouting in the notches, a little goes on the short. Amplifies use the tree. Wake up, said amplifies use the tree. You realize said amplifies use the tree. How lovely you guys get down there.
Everywhere on land, in the air, and filling every tree. Oh, it's the chorus, the Rainforest chorus, singing constantly.